If you've ever wanted to become an electrician, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll tell you about the most important things you need to know about how to become an electrician that makes a serious difference in the lives of their clients, and one with a strong skill set too. Why training matters. It's a pretty simple concept to wrap your head around. If you don't know what you're doing, you don't just risk further damaging a client's wiring or failing to get the job done correctly. You also put your safety and the safety of others at risk. With proper training, you'll also be able to familiarize yourself with electrical code requirements in your service area. You'll also learn more about OSHA standards, commercial, industrial, residential wiring, and even trade mathematics. Training and expectations. The exam will test how well you understand the National Electrical Code in most cases. Depending on the state where you want to work, you'll also need to show that you understand local building code laws. Of course, you'll also learn how to fix common electrical problems in commercial and residential buildings. This could include faulty circuit breakers and overloads, sudden power losses, electrical testing, and the installation of light fixtures. You may even learn how to read blueprints and follow electrical plans during construction properly. You should expect a combination of hybrid classes and on-the-job experience. You will also be required to complete a certain number of training hours in addition to passing your exam. After the program. After completing your training course and obtaining a trainee card, you're ready to work in the field. You can receive valuable experience by working alongside a licensed electrician. To become licensed, you must complete approximately 8,000 hours of work in California, depending on specialty, and pass the journeyman examination. Students who complete the Intercoast Electrical Training Program are qualified to sit for the journeyman examination. After passing the exam and completing your required hours, you qualify to submit for your electrical license. We hope this video has offered you a better understanding of what it takes to become an electrician. So, are you ready to enroll in electrician school? If so, we invite you to learn more about our programs. You could be on the job in as few as 50 weeks. Now is the time to go after the future you deserve.